Hey my friend, it's Will here over at Pips and Gains, and in today's video we're going to be looking at prop firms, the do's and don'ts when it comes to signing up for prop firm challenges. So in this video I'm going to share with you some experiences that I've been having going through a lot of these websites, and in this section of the video of my YouTube channel I will be reviewing different prop trading firms with absolutely no affiliation with them. I'll just be going to their websites, going through their challenge rules, stipulations, etc., and showing you the ones that I would recommend and the ones that I wouldn't recommend. In today's video we're just going to just look at some of the basic things you should be looking at when signing up for different prop firms, okay, in order to have the best chances possible as getting funded and passing trading challenges. So before we get into the video, if you are new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed it, simply hit the subscribe button now, hit the thumbs up, show your support for the channel so I can keep on creating content like this, sharing my near 15 years experience in the FX markets, hopefully helping you become a better, more profitable, consistent trader. So let's get into today's video. Prop firms, it is a big topic as of late in the FX markets, and today I'm just going to give you my honest opinion. I have no script here, it's just off the cuff, so I'm just going to be speaking to you as if I was speaking to you in the pub having a pint, or in the coffee shop having a cup of coffee. So I'm just going to have a drink of water here, and let's get into prop firms. Okay, there seems to be new prop firms popping up every single day. Now what I've been noticing, a lot of this looks like kind of reminds me of the binary options craze that happened in the early, maybe around started around 2012, lasted for about 2 or 3 years. A lot of these firms that are popping up seem to be coming from that kind of direction. They seem very, very shady. They seem like they've got a casino model about them, and yeah, it has that kind of vibe about it. A lot of these firms, a lot of their websites, and it just, yeah, it seems a little bit shady to me. I may be wrong, but that's just what I'm noticing from my experience, and we can easily kind of tell the better prop firms from the not so good prop firms. Okay, if I was running a trading prop firm, I want profitable traders to start, and my main focus would be on getting profitable traders and controlling risk. Okay, the main thing would be controlling risk, and if I was running it, it would be I'd have one main rule, and that would be the drawdown limit. Do not go past this drawdown. If a prop firm, you're meant to be trading, finding profitable traders to trade your own money. So kind of the rules I would be having the max drawdown limit, and that's it. Okay, if you go past this drawdown limit, say started with 20k, if you go past, you have 5% drawdown limit, say, or 5 or 6%, let's say 5 for an example here. That would be $1,000. If the account goes below $19,000, that's the challenge failed. That's the funding stopped. Okay, and I would leave it at that. Okay, or I would wait for the account to be maybe go 10% in profit, and then I'd move the stop loss. I'd move the max, the stop limit to the balance, so I'm never risking any of my own capital after that, and just let the trader, if the trader goes below the starting balance after making 10%, move the drawdown limit to the starting balance. If the trader goes below the the starting balance, then maybe challenge failed. But again, that's all I would be looking at, is controlling risk, and that said, I wouldn't have a time limit on successful traders. I would let them trade at their own pace. Now that is one of the big red flags that I don't like about some of these prop firms that are popping up, and that is a lot of them have time limits. 30 days they make this amount of money, 45 days to make this amount of money. So a lot of them have, you've got 30 days to make 10%, and you've got a 5% max drawdown. Okay, what is that is actually doing is putting you under pressure. The whole point of that to me is to make you feel and get into the mindset of it's like a game. You're playing a computer game, and you have to keep on. Like, say you're on level 2 of Super Mario, okay, and you keep on feeling level 2, okay, and you keep to get to level 3, something like that. They wanna kind of make it like a game in your head. That's what I kind of see here. Next, it is kind of hinders you as a trader psychologically, because you've got a time limit. You have to make this amount by that time limit. You're going to be making mistakes. You're going to be entering trades you shouldn't be taking. You're going to be taking more risk. Okay, and yeah, it's a big red flag if there's a time limit. The best firms that have been about for quite some time have 0 time limit, and again, they have the ones that I've started trading with that I've noticed are the best. They've got one rule: don't go past this drawdown limit, and there's no limit. There's no time limit on the trading challenges. So they're kind of the better ones. Ones that are kind of have got rules in their challenges to, you've got to make a certain amount on a certain day, or by a certain day. Yeah, stay away from them. Drawdown limits. Again, yeah, we've already spoke about drawdown limits. The best ones that I like to see are the fixed ones, not the ones that trail. Like I said, if it does trail you, it trails the stop loss all the way up till it gets to the starting balance, and then leaves the stop the drawdown limit at the starting balance, just leaves it fixed there. That's fine. But I see some of these firms that just continue to, after you're making profit, just trails you the whole way up as you're building an account. I don't like that. Okay, ones that have simply got the max drawdown limit is the better ones. Next is what the kind of ones I don't like is the ones that have 2 drawdown rules. We've got daily and max one. I don't kind of mind that if we've got a 10% drawdown, max drawdown, and a 5% daily drawdown. I don't mind that. But again, I don't see the point in it. Okay, just have the one drawdown rule is better. I think I've seen some of these firms they'll have a 6% max drawdown and then a 4% daily drawdown. What's the point in that? Okay, to me, that rule is there to make you feel, okay, and do as many challenges as possible. Because remember, a lot of these firms that are popping up, they don't technically want you to get funded. Some of them do, but I'd say 90%, the majority of these ones are making most of their money by challenges, okay, and they don't want everyone become profitable traders. Maybe because they don't have the money to fund you, and they're just making the challenges up. What I've seen, a lot of these firms are using the same brokers for their challenges, and it is very, to be honest, I've actually researched it. It is very easy to create your own prop firm with very little money. Okay, you can actually start your own prop firm with a few $1,000s. Just white label them with some of these big brokers, and yeah, and I'll do reviews on some of that in the future. But again, the majority of these firms don't want you to get funded. They want you to feel as many challenges as possible. They want to get it into your head as if you're playing a computer game, and you just want to keep on repeating the level. You can actually see with some of these, they look like some of the websites actually look like computer games. Okay, so I actually was looking at one this morning there. It actually does look like a computer game. So it does. So that kind of proves my point. If it has that kind of model, you kind of want to stay away from it. Maybe it has it like that because they're kind of aiming to the younger generation. But to me, the best prop firms, I'll say it again, one rule, and that's it. Don't go past the drawdown limit. That's it. Other ones that don't allow you to hold trades over weekends or overnights, I'd stay away from them. Again, there is a lot of different rules, and we will be going through some of these in this section. If you do have any prop firms that you want me to review, and I am going to, what I will do is, if ones that I do like, I will be signing up to them, going through their challenges and sharing my progress in this section of the channel. But if there is one you want me to review, have a look at, simply let me know in the comments section of the video, or send me an email at will@thefxace.com. Next thing when you're looking for a prop firm is to look at review sites like Trustpilot or Forex Peace Army. Now you don't want to be looking at all the 5-star reviews. What you want to be looking at are the 1-star, 2-star, 3 stars, because that's where you're going to get a better picture. Okay, a lot of these firms, it's very, very easy to buy reviews. You can go to places like Fiverr or Odesk or Freelancer, and you get a freelancer in Pakistan or Bangladesh to write up fake reviews for you. Okay, so a lot of these firms are using fake reviews. So the more professional and firm looks, the ones that have the least rules to passing challenges, especially ones with they've only got 1-step evaluation and the 1 rule. The ones with the less rules are the better. The ones with the more complicated rules are the ones to stay away from. The ones that look like their casino model, we will be going through some of these websites that they've got the casino model about them. Stay away from them. So that is kind of just, I've made this video just off the cuff. It's something I've wanted to do for quite some time, because it is a big hot fab in the industry at the minute. I will be reviewing these different prop firms as we go in the weeks ahead. I'll have no affiliation with them. I won't be, that's one of the big red flags when you are reviewing, looking for a good prop firm, going to YouTube or some website. It goes, oh, this is a very, very good prop trading firm, blah, blah, blah. They do this, blah, blah, blah. And then at the end, if you want to get a 10% discount, sign up to their challenges, use this code. That guy is getting commission, so that review is biased, and there's a conflict of interest there. He's likely working with the prop firm. So ones that are doing that, stay clear from. Do your own research. Hopefully in the videos that I'll be doing here, it'll help you with your own research, because what I'll be doing in them is I'll just be sharing, when I'm doing my research, I'm just going to be sharing with you what I actually do when I'm looking for a good prop trading firm. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's just off the cuff, as if we were sitting in a coffee shop having a coffee. So hope you enjoyed it. If you want to go through my beginner's introduction into price action section, you can go here. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like and subscribe button, and hope you enjoyed well over pips and gains, and I shall see you on the next video.